Hey guys, guess what? This is where I'm camping for free. And it's on New River Road. You know, I like to come here. I'm going to cook me a nice New York steak tonight, and I'm going to cut it off of a New York strip roast. So that's going to be yummy. And I've got a fire going so that I can cook it. And here's where we are. In my spot on New River Road, and there, those little dots, those are the hot air balloons. And they're all over. There's like 12 of them out here now. So this is where I'm camping for free. Yep. And there's a few other people out here, as you can see. And there's a few people over there on that side too. But you can camp for free here. Well, you're supposed to have a state trust land pass thing that you're supposed to pay like $20-something for the year, and you're allowed to stay like I think 14 days. But I found out from a lot of these people out here that they never come out and check, and so a lot of people out here don't have theirs. I do have mine. I purchased one, and I will continue to purchase one because the money goes for schools. But everybody to their own. I'm not gonna condemn anybody else because a lot of people are living on fixed incomes that are out here, and they just don't have the money. So there's not a lot of BLM close here to the Phoenix area that you can camp for free. So anyway, yeah, that's that. And look at my fire. I'm trying to get some coals to cook that New York strip steak. That's going to be yummy. Okay, I just cut those off of that New York steak strip roast. And I'm now going to add some Johnny's seasoning salt to it. I made two because a friend of mine is supposed to be coming by, so I'm not sure if they're going to show up or not, but I want to have one done for them in case they do. I'm trying to get the lid off. There we go. So let's put a bunch of this on here because they are thick. I cut them like an inch thick or something. Okay, now see if I can do this one-handed. So there's that, and we're now going to put them on the fire. Okay, so there's one, and there's two. That's gonna be dinner. Like, there's the balloon is landed there. Yeah. Still a bunch more up there. But there they are. Gonna let them cook. I like mine like medium rare. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. How's that? All right, I believe it's done. Let's see if we can cut into it one-handed. Oh shoot, not having very much luck. Let me see. Okay, let's see if we can. There we go. Nice New York strip. That's like about medium. I really like it medium rare, but that's okay. That's pretty close. Anyway, you guys have a great day because you know you can explore everything. Peace. Okay, That is my fire after I cooked my New York strip steak. And Tinkerbell is down here, but you can't see her. And she's having the last of her. I cooked her up some of the fat that had some steak on it that when I trimmed it off of the roast, the New York strip steak roast. But now we have that fire going on, and we're enjoying our evening. We have another, you can't see it, but we have another motorhome that is not very far from me. So there you go. That's what we did after we did our steaks. We put another piece of wood on there and got the flames going. Have a great day, because you know you can explore everything. And happy Thanksgiving. Peace.